Hey everyone, I'm about to change the oil in my generator on our bus here, and for those who don't know, these are 20,000 watt generators, or 20 kW, whatever you want to call them. It's a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, and it has enough power to run our whole bus, probably plus any other travel trailer. It puts out a lot of amperage, and it puts out 166 amps of power. We have on our generator, we have a buddy plug located right here that, as I said earlier, this thing puts out 166 amps of power, so we can run our whole coach, everything in it turned on at once, and then still help other people out if we needed to, because we do have a buddy plug.
And we have done that before.
And we have done that for a friend before.
Free of charge.
Free of charge. It has the battery box right here, where the battery to start the generator only is located in here, and there's a solar panel on the roof right by where I did my antenna install that keeps that battery charged up at all times. And like most of these motorhomes, if your engine start batteries go dead, you can steal battery power from your house batteries to the coach batteries to start it. But I'm going to pull it out, change the oil in it. I've already started it and warmed it up. I'm going to disable the auto start just in case, so it can't start on me. Pull it out, it's on a slide, and I'm going to have Gail put in my specialized $1.50 tool so it won't slide in, because where we're parked it's a little bit of a slant to the other side of the bus, so it won't stay out without the help of this tool, better known as a piece of 1/2 inch or 1 inch PVC. We open up the vent on the tub. Let me open up the tub. Get my crescent wrench. I will pull the drain plug. You can only put, I changed it last at 3422, basically 3423, and it's got 3493 on it now. And these generators, I know people on their coaches that will have up close to 40,000 hours on these things. These are very heavy duty. Pull my, lefty loosey, righty tighty, Gail. This is a fuel filter, screwed off fuel filter.
Messy.
Yes. Lubricant on the filter. And for people thinking I should prime that filter, you're correct, but I don't have any small cans of diesel, and I can just prime it right here and it will prime it up. Diesel fuel is messy. The oil finished draining, not quite, but getting close. What I've got to do with the way this oil filter is, I've got to move my drain pan slightly in a different manner, because it kind of runs down all over it. Wasn't the best thought out thing there, but hey, what are you gonna do?
Well, you're kind of in a tight spot.
Yeah.
In between two RVs.
Get it. Okay, it should be about ready to spin. And my oil is just about done there. So let me go ahead and put the drain plug in. Okay, so I'll keep that. It's gonna be messy here. See how it's running all over the deal. Okay. That's one. I will prime the filter a little bit, not a whole bunch. Put a little oil in there. Lubricate the filter. A little more. Ow, don't want to do that. Okay. That's just about done there. Okay, that's tight. Let me tighten my drain plug.
I can't see that.
Okay. So the fuel filter has drained out. I'll put it back in its little box that it came in. The oil filter will be draining. This has got 2 quarts in it. Just under now because I put some in the deal, so. And off. Today is 12/6/22. We have 3493.1 hours on the generator. Okay, filter's tight, that filter's tight, plugs in and tight. Let me see. I know it looks like I got different oils, but they're the same. I'm going to go to stop preheat for 4 seconds to prime the filter. 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to go to start. And it may be a little noisier sounding because I don't have the airbags for the generator aired up. It's on 4 airbags to isolate it. You won't feel anything inside the coach if they're aired up. Okay, no leaks. Okay. And I don't know if Gail showed you my high dollar tool earlier to hold the slide out, since we're on a little bit of a slope. It is a piece of PVC again. Generator will slide back in. Clamp this lock shut. While we're here, because we were out in the desert, let's just go ahead and check the air filter. Because I did. I mean, it wasn't dirty, but let me check it while we're here. I've got 2 spares at the house. I just changed this one a year ago. Yeah. So I doubt it's dirty, but let me see. No, it's still nice and clean. Nice and clean. Okay. Nice and clean.